जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल.
Days were long and lonely, evenings full of fear. There was no school or toys, no bedtime stories. Her mother was the only earning member. She calls her old days hazy and prefers to keep even that slightest haze away. Saloni went to school for the first time at age 11 in nursery class. Her childhood was nowhere close to that of a child belonging to a privileged section of the society. Yet, her aspirations were nothing short of what you, I, or a child from a stable family would have. She wanted to be a doctor. Time was running out for her. The light of her dreams was dimming as she had reached grade 4 by age 14. Then, one day she met Kushal, a man living a privileged life with a global corporate career. Education from India's premier institutions, but someone who was seeking purpose in life. His search for purpose and Saloni's dream came together, as Kushal narrates.
On a cold morning in November, I saw a group of children walk past me at the bus stop. They were clad in a basic uniform and did not have any extra clothing to feel warm and barefoot in the biting cold. I looked at my own children in the warm clothes they were wearing and wondered how lucky they were. This moment changed the course of my life as I wanted those kids to also have the same. I learned that these children were part of an informal school running near my home. I visited the school and found that there were over 200 children who lacked access to basic necessities like warm clothes, shoes, caps, socks. I decided to provide the children with these basic necessities. While this led to instant gratification, I felt an extreme sense of discomfort once I came to know about the children in depth. Some of the children were in the same class for the last 5 years. They were attending this school because they didn't have any better option. No school was providing them admission, and neither did they have the learning levels to pursue further education. I learned that this was the case with Saloni Raj and many students in the country. It made me realize that the support these children required was much more than what I could anticipate or have offered to them.
Kushal started Lotus Petal Foundation, and Saloni took a leap of faith and joined the foundation, which was then being run in a one-room school in a shopping arcade. She was among the first 6 students who entrusted their dreams in this school. She and her fellow mates, having different learning levels, came together. This was the year 2013. Who knew that over a decade later, she would emerge as a doctor? This is the story of Saloni Raj, a story of perseverance, faith, and vision coming together. A dream of becoming a doctor, defying all odds.
उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे, आज और अभी में खुद को रहने दे. कहता ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल.
Hi, my name is Saloni Raj, and I stand here in front of you all to tell you my story. My journey with Lotus Petal Foundation started in 2013. Why I left my school and took this leap of faith, I don't know.
Maybe because I could see the truth, reality, and a vision in Kushal sir's eyes. Looking back, the only reason I could take this step was because he was always there as a guiding light, standing tall behind me in every situation. I have seen this place grow in front of my eyes, from a one-room school to shifting to a small campus in the urban slums in village Silokhera, Gurugram. Getting my school uniform, the lunchtime, the playtime, morning prayer, meeting guests from abroad, everything spoke of a commitment towards making an impact.
I was focused, I was determined. I knew that I wanted to become a doctor. And when I expressed my desire of becoming a doctor to Kushal sir, he sent me to the best coaching center to prepare for my entrance exams.
After fighting all the odds, at the age of 20, Saloni Raj's name appeared amongst the students who cleared the National Medical Entrance Test 2019, and she got admitted to JCD College Sirsa, Haryana on her own merit. 20 lakh students appeared for this test in 2019.
Leaving home and going to the college was a life-changing experience for me. I stayed in a hostel, had a room to myself, and I made many friends. It all felt like a dream coming true.
While they were handing over the ICC to me, I cried a lot. कि उस मोमेंट पे मैंने बस ये था कि जल्दी से मम्मी को बता दो कि मम्मी फाइनली मैं डॉक्टर बन गई.
Meanwhile, at home front, both my brothers, who are also a pass out from Lotus Petal Foundation, got placements in good companies. They both are financially independent now. My brother recently bought a car. My family shifted to a better place with better amenities, living a comfortable life. My mother also left her work and stays at home and spends time with her grandchildren.
So much has changed that I could not even have dreamt of. Today, when I look back at my life journey, it feels nothing less than a miracle. But this journey could not have taken a shape without the joint efforts of every single individual involved towards bringing a change, towards making a life better. This story has many unsung heroes. My teachers, who were more like a family to me, my friends, securities, and the Emerald Squad, and most importantly, Kushal sir, who made sure that I got the right guidance at every turn of my life.
My life has changed, and I stand here totally transformed just by the power of education.
Thank you, Lotus Petal Foundation. You will forever be etched in my heart.
I still have a long road to take, many more lessons to learn, but I know that I will always be guided and looked after.
This is my story of transformation. This is my story of becoming Dr. Saloni Raj. As we speak, endless lives are getting transformed at this wonderful place called Lotus Petal Foundation. My Lotus Petal Foundation.
मरना क्यों, जी लेना बूंदों को, पी लेना तेरे ही सपनों की बारिश है. पानियों को रास्ते तू बनाने दे, रोशनी के पीछे खुद को जाने दे.
It's a very proud moment for me and my mama.
Saloni's journey doesn't end here. She now wants to complete her master's and become a surgeon. Meanwhile, she plans to gain experience and has applied to various clinics for practice.
I'm very grateful and thank you Kushal sir for being there. Thank you so much.